We're going to set this up. Simple as 1, 2, 3. It'll take you less than a minute to hook it up. You're going to just simply align and listen for the clicks and adjust to the heights that you need this for. Now we're going to place it underneath the door. We're going to give it a little foot. And we're all set up so our door will not open. This is adjustable for different heights of the door for the maximum of about 3 feet. When ready to take off, just kick out from the bottom, slide it down, put it away for another rainy day. And that's how simple it is to assemble and disassemble. You're at a hotel. You want to put this on. You simply, again, follow the steps, lining it up underneath. Give it a little force underneath the bottom. And now you can't grab the handle or open up the door. It is set for security. When you want to release, you just press a button, slide down a little, and pull away. When not in use, press the button in on both. And make sure you turn to the side to fold back up to be portable. With a nice large footprint that is rubber that will prevent from skidding and sliding and marking the floor, as well as the plastic top that will lock into the door handle, this will prevent. If you have a window or a sliding door, you remove the door knob, place on the rubber cap, and place this between the door to lock into place. These are not just for locking doors and windows, something that you have something that's going to open up. This will prevent that from happening. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in a portable and stationary form to lock a door.